Alrighty, Sir Todd, take care.
Alrighty.
John boy, let's do this dance. Oh yeah, buddy. You know, it's really cool that Muscle Car Concepts reflection into the window. There's the shop. Woo-hoo-hoo. This thing seems like it hugs pretty well. That's good. So how's it drive?
Badass.
This feels like a bitchin' ride.
It's a bitchin' ride for sure. It's got a lot of power underneath that hood, and you can definitely feel it. Probably one of the most powerful things I've drove so far. I'm used to trucks.
So what do you think the top speed is on it?
Well, I know the customer got pretty fast on it.
Yeah?
So,
Fourth gear, it's a 4-speed manual. So to have a high top speed, what, that means longer gears? If it's only 4-speed?
so you want shorter gears to knock down your RPMs to go faster.
Oh.
But you want higher gears to get more torque so you can get better off the line. It's kind of a mixture ratio you got to do for racing.
That makes sense.
You pretty much got to figure out what you want to do with your vehicle in order to figure out what kind of ratio and transmission and all that and the tires you want to run.
There we go. Oh, what? I like it.
That's your AC, windows down, vents open.
Oh, that's cool. You could even have windows up and still feel some fresh air. That's nice. It looks even cooler from the outside. This is usually where it's packed during football games.
Yep.
Come on, you can't fake like it doesn't get your attention every time.
No car, but I'm looking at a car right now.
I'm not gonna look. Oh, Johnny found something he likes.
Look at that thing! That's my style right there. Woo, 78, baby. 78, late 78, 79 actually. If we're dry is freaking smooth though.
Something about the way you said borrow says he won't be getting it back.
Probably not.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's see if we can get some conversations going. Hey, bada swing and a miss. People used to just buy these cars like they bought that car. Oh, what is that, a Bronco? No? The Bronco's got a little character. I don't know what this is. Woo! Wow! That's badass. Every time. Oh, come on. Just bring me the money.
Miles per gallon, baby.
Yeah, well, every time. There we go.
Getting the little peace sign, you know?
Yep. Little Sturbo diesel. That sounds nice. There's our bank. Shouts out NBC. Whoop whoop. Yep. Shouts out. If you ever need anything, they do pretty well.
They do amazing. Not just pretty well, amazing. Amateurs. Thank you.
Who gave the kids the Camaro?
That ain't no kid.
I know. But yeah, it turns anyone into a kid at heart.
It does. It really does.
Woo-hoo-hoo. How we doing? There's a bunch of older guys handing out green stuff. I wonder what that is.
Got a couple buddies going here to college.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Take care! Now, every time I see this strip, I remind myself not to race it.
Yes.
But it's perfect.
Yes, it is.
There we go.
Now, if the owner was in here driving this and he's seen that, he'd do a fat right now. He would.
You would have got him?
Yep, we got it.
Even this part is still like this is a racetrack. Come on, don't lie to me. You guys did this on purpose. See, there he is, the one bastard that gets you. He caught you right coming out of that turn.
Yep. Try to find a newer Camaro.
You're like, this is what you'd be if you were new.
Talk to Chevy dealership person.
Right?
So I'd like to trade this in for a newer Camaro. How much did you get me?
We should actually just go in there and say that straight up.
Reaction there.
Right?
He wants to race. I can't do it though. Can't do it. No.
One summer of work and you could buy one of these.
Yeah.
What a concept. We've been driving it around. A lot of old guys have kind of complimented, just appreciated.
Especially by you now. Right. What's going on down there? But they got
Yeah, we just took it to Husker Harvest Days to kind of showcase some of our work.
Yeah, no, it looks clean on it. Looks really good.
Actually,
We don't know. Oh. If they do, you can try them on, but
I want like 3 cars for it.
Probably get you $1.
$1.
go inside on that one.
That's a closed deal. I need the stamp of approval.
Oh, I need to sign
I don't even got a stamp, so I can't even get to the approval.
It's one of our customers. Our shop. What?
I don't know how much you guys selling this for.
100.
100,000. Oh.
Oh.
We got a 496 big block.
We didn't come here to sell it, but if it happens, maybe you guys get like $1,
Well, no, I got to do an in and out with you.
right?
Customers are here on the door. We got to do an in and out.
What does that mean? What's the in and out?
So an in and out is you file paperwork and it saves you the sales tax as far as
Is that because you're a dealership?
yeah.
That's cool.
So if you sold it outright, you would have to pay the sales tax on $100,000, right? So now we can take that as a big company and kind of, I don't want to say eat it, but we
Kinda
also kind of
do.
want you to buy one of our cars to do a flip flop kind of deal.
Right.
So that's why we did that.
Yeah, we restored it all just to trade it in. That was our end goal. It's a customer car. He wants to sell it, but he's enjoying it. He's asking more like 95 for it.
That was enjoyable.
It was.
All right, let's get back to the shop. We got some work to do.
Woo!